What actually drew me to urban studies is so much that's happening in predominantly Black community. I was homeless for several years in New York City. It was different than it is now. Now you have people that are working. They actually have jobs, but just can't afford to pay rent or to live here in New York. My name is Darlene Calderon. I'm a current student at Queens College, and I work at the Department of Education. I'm a payroll secretary. You know, my decision to return back to school was basically because I wanted to finish what I started. I was in college in 1976. I went to LaGuardia. I went for secretarial science. And then I had my daughter. And then I never went back to school. I have a son, they've all finished school. And I said, you know what? I want to go back to school. So through the Murphy Institute, I have been meeting with Carol Schwartz, who has been my academic advisor. She's just been so helpful. Anytime I call her with a question or anything, I just felt so assisted. You know, when you're new, you're coming in, you read all of these different signs, go here for your ID, go here for your tech, go here for this, go here for that. She called me, I answered, and then we spoke. She was just consistently available for me. I already knew I was going to be majoring in urban studies. I have a huge place in my heart for unhoused people that are discriminated. And so urban studies covers all of that. There's so many amazing professors at this school, and they teach with passion. And so that just sets you on fire when you see a teacher is literally just consumed with where things are going and they want to make a change. People need advocates. There are so many people that have no one to speak up for them. So I see myself as being able to help someone. Oftentimes you'd feel like no one really cares, and people do care. I'm a carer.